You download food delivery application to order food online. You download taxi application to book taxi. You download hotel booking application to book hotel. But what if you could do everything via one app? Yes, today we are going to talk about our latest made application where customer can order food, grocery, taxi, easily everything, and also it will show by their location. The application you can see on screen, all in one application with e-commerce, food delivery, grocery, pharmacy, hotel, everything in one. If I click on food, I will be able to see all the products inside the food, and I can see all the banners and all the nearby sellers also. So it is working just like Zomato, Swiggy, Uber, everything in one. So this is our latest food delivery multi-vendor application inside the all-in-one application where customer can see all the nearby sellers and he can add to cart products, and now he can select his location and he can choose cash on delivery or online payment and make order. He can also add his location easily like this without typing. The application will automatically take his live location on Google Map like this. So easy to use application. Customer can order food, grocery, taxi, e-commerce, hotel, parcel, anything, and can order online or cash on delivery. You can charge commission or subscription from the sellers on the application. If you want to start your own food delivery, grocery delivery, multi-vendor, multi-service, multi-location, multi-language application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you. And now we'll show you how taxi booking works in this app. So customer click on taxi and now he can choose his pickup and drop location and all the nearby vehicles will show. So that's how easily a customer can book taxi, bike, auto, any vehicle that is available on your app. For more, kindly contact us so our team can help you and make your own multi-service food, grocery, taxi all-in-one app today. In this combo, you are getting a user Android app, seller Android app, driver Android app, website, admin, and complete source code and 6-month free technical support. If you are buying Android and iOS, then you are getting user Android app, driver Android app, seller Android app, user iOS app, seller iOS app, driver iOS app, admin and website, and complete source code and complete 6-month free technical support. So what are you waiting for? Contact us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can make your app and give you complete technical support and complete help and make your app live on Play Store and App Store. Start your online multi-service, multi-location application today. Remember, in this app, when a customer open the app, he will see the sellers, the grocery, the food seller, the e-commerce seller, the taxis available in his location only. So you can launch it in your city today. For more, kindly contact us. I'll see you in the next video.